Please welcome Steve McClatchy.
You look around the room and see what I saw, because this is what I saw. And she's like, okay, how many times have we had fun? You ever been warned to stay away from somebody? Don't go near Steve. Steve's having a bad day. Now my confidence is low. Now I have to work around you because I don't have confidence you'll do your job. Why do I have your bag? I just wanted him to say it. Ask in the form of a question. What governs the success of every one of your personal and professional relationships? Relationships work when both people get their needs met. Tell me if you'd agree. Very easily, that conversation could go for 10 minutes. Would you agree? And some of you wanted it to. You're like, well, when I was little. Do you know not one person selected my logo? You want to talk about humbling? And probably some of the biggest frustrations that you have in business come from this level. You can't argue a fact. Show of hands, how many of you are thinking of somebody right now, specifically in your life, that can argue absolutely any fact? Level 2 maturity. And I think that's foundational to great relationships. When you're working on a goal and you're halfway there, or you've achieved the goal, are you excited about your life? And everybody you're in a relationship with deserves that from you. Hey, did you get a part in the play? Yes. You didn't know there's going to be a tragedy contest, but you've entered, and your aunt let you down. Well, I've been here 10 years, so, and you've been here 2? Are you here 2 yet? Oh, happy anniversary. Commerce is, I am confident that you will do what you say you're going to do. When you say you're going to do something, I trust, I have confidence that you will do it. At the end of the year, for the coach's gift, she gave the coach a scoreboard. My way or the highway. How many of you heard that little voice? Okay, if you don't have your hand raised right now, I don't trust you. The human brain can turn anything into a competition. Would you agree? What part of the brain is doing that? The ego. Are you going to work with him? He's great. He has the best ego. Oh, she is awesome. You're going to love her. She has the best ego. You're like, I don't think you're using that word correctly. You ever go over a presentation one more time so you'll do a great job? That's your ego. Do you ever reread an email one more time before you send it just to make sure it's a good one? It's your ego. Your ego wants you to succeed and produce superior work. So where did it get this bad reputation that we all know it for? Do you ever hear that expression, get it? Like, oh, he gets it, she gets it. You're like, gets what? They're like, I don't know. Is the customer the boss in your business? If we look at arguments and disagreements and opinions for who's going to win, we end up with turf wars and turf battles and politics. But you can see where if we're playing games in relationships, it can take a lot of time away from the objective that we have of the business being successful, to be profitable, to achieve our mission and our purpose. Thank you. Thanks, everybody.